Hello and welcome to this week's Just the Tip. My name is Corey from Meat and Potatoes Organizing. We have a tip for you today about if you have a small closet, a small storage space, just a couple of things that I want you to think about and hopefully you can utilize them. The first thing I want you to think about is first, obviously we want to take everything out, make sure that everything in that closet does have a use and a home. And then a lot of times we can use these awesome little shelf dividers, right? So they kind of clip in, slide right on the shelf, and you can divide those small shelves into sections. This can help keep things contained from sheets to, beauty backstock products or just bathroom backstock products or any type of linen products. Can really keep those contained in those sections. So I want you to look into those shelf dividers. And then the same thing I want you to think about is how could you potentially use the back side of the door? Maybe there's some command hooks we could install, or an over-the-door organizer can really bump up the space in that small area. So today I want you, or actually rather this week, I want you to tackle that small closet and tell me what you think. Get yourself some dividers and some hooks and go to town. Would love to hear how it goes for you in the comments. We'll see you next week.